Hi, welcome to Rouzati Rugs. In this video, I'll be talking about hallway rugs, also known as runners. Now, when you look at a hallway rug, mainly you're looking for something that is elongated like this. This specific rug here is a beautiful antique Persian Malaya rug that has a lot of unique paisleys in the center and overall has a traditional design that's meant for classic homes. Now this type of runner is within the vintage style. It's called an overdyed runner, and what they do with it is that they put a blue dye all throughout the rug to give it kind of a fresh feel. At the same time, they'll shave the pile down, as you can see here, to give it more of a vintage distressed look. Now this specific runner here is within the modern style. This design is called a grass design. It's called grass because it's supposed to emulate a grass field going all the way through. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Rouzati Rugs. And don't forget to check out our blog on rouzatirugs.com, where we share some great information about rugs in general. Thanks for watching.